3W for your business to launch in FB ads. Whether you are in any business, whether you need to generate a leads, whether you are in lead generation business, whether you are in coaching business, whether you are in real estate or any field, you need to know the 3W to go your business run faster and targeted audience without wasting any leads and spending most money. So let's say the three main is, the first is why. Why you are running the campaign, why you are targeting the campaign for your. For that you just need to understand whether you are in coaching business, you need a regular leads to follow up with them, nurture with them. You will target them regularly, you will get updates to them, and you will provide some value from that leads, and after some time they will convert into that sales, whether you want to sell. That is how you can acquire. It may be try to understand from your business, it will get the idea for you, but need to know why you are targeting. So then you will get able to clarity why I'm targeting with that audience. It will not waste the money you are targeting on FB ads. Then moving toward what what you are targeting, what you are running ads through your campaign. That is most important again. When you are selling courses, when you are advertising your, whether you are advertising your marketing your business only products and services, they need to know about what you are targeting exactly. Then if you are really selling your courses online, it might take some time because they are watching your ad first time. Because when first time our audience are looking to your ads, interacting to your ads, they will not buy directly from you. They need some time to nurture with them. They need to get some clarity, some value from your ads and your content. That is most important, what you are selling. And if you are selling for properties or any buildings, apartments, in real estate business, or if you are any institutions, you need to know just getting leads and selling that leads to any companies or anything. So that is one most important factor when you are selling and running the ads. Why and what? The what comes under everything, what you are, your products and services, what your business based on. Just understand where your audience is and what you are selling, and the why is defined firstly. Then moving towards who is your target audience exactly, because there are thousands and lakhs of people looking every single day ads and skipping just away. Because when you understand and clarify that my ideal audience is students or a builders or some professional workers or some any in particular industry workers or particular industry people or business owners that I am targeting to, they will interact with that ads. They will just look at that ads and understand, yes, it is worth for me, it is valuable for me, and from that value they will interact and the leads will generate and they will get some value. After a long time, it might, after a long time they will convert into sales. That is important, leads. So define your target audience, who you are targeting. Suppose you are targeting students, firstly they need to understand the value. If they will get some free amount of value, they will really interact with that. And some professionals, because they understand it is important for me, they will start taking seriously to them. So according to them, set in a campaign with age wise, with gender, with everything, with their location, with their income level, with their background and with everything. It need to know. When it launch with accordingly, the ad campaign will goes properly and without wasting much money and spending a lot of money on ads campaign. You will get targeted leads with regularly, and that is how you can work and move faster your business with 3Y 3W of lead generation and Facebook ads. If you get some value, stay updated with me, stay following. Have a nice day.